Let's consider this piece of code where this program contains 5 instructions starting from I0, I1, I2, I3 and I4. In this, the address of this instruction, let us say 5th instruction. This is the 4th instruction and so on. The numbering in the program or the address in the specific program, we call them as what? Logical address. Okay. So what is the purpose of this logical address? Now see, whenever I have something called as array, okay, you please understand what is this array. Where this array we always consider the location, or we can say that which index it is. Okay, index it is. So from the starting point, which address it is, that address we are interested in. That generally called as what? Logical address. What is the purpose of this logical address? Now please understand the scenario. If I take this memory, okay, generally call them as physical memory, of course, physical address or physical memory. Okay. In this physical memory, if some program is trying to stay in this one, user don't know what is the starting address. Okay. For example, if the starting address of this instruction, let us say 400. Okay. And we understand that each instruction takes 1 byte of space, then this address will be 401. Okay. This will be 402, 403, 404 and 405, something like this. Okay. So starting address is 400, 401, 402, 403 and 404. If the starting address, let us say 500, then the address of this instruction will be changed. Okay. That's because physical address may not guarantee that what is the exact address in the physical memory, because once the program is settled, a program has a freedom to stay at any place in the RAM. That is because we cannot depend on the physical address. But we need to know what is the address of a specific instruction. Because at some point of time, let us say if this is something like if condition, or if this is a while condition, at sometimes I need to repeat, or at least I will say something like go to some instruction, let us say to some kind of a scenario, let us say. Okay. By this time I should know what is the address of this I2. And I cannot depend on this physical address. Okay. So PS stands for physical address. Therefore, we depend on what? Logical address. Okay. So logical address won't change because in this sequence of instructions, the address of this I4 is 5 only. If I start from 0 or 1 and so on. At least I can say that the position of this instruction is 5th position. The physical address may change. Now let us say if I want to consider this I4 address, let us say what is the address of I4? If the starting address plus it is starting address plus index of that instruction. Okay. If the starting address is 400, then it will take as 405 is the address of this instruction. If starting address is 500, then the address instruction will be 505. This is the difference between a logical address as well as a physical address.